Greetings, fellow knowledge seekers. Bill Nye here, your trusty science guy, joined by my feathered friend Polly. Polly, say hello to the nice people. Polly, as you may know, is a bird of extraordinary intelligence. She can mimic human speech, perform tricks, and even seems to understand the concept of object permanence. But can she understand artificial intelligence? That's what we're here to explore today. Now, you might be thinking, Bill, what does a parrot have to do with artificial intelligence? Well, just like Polly learns to mimic sounds and solve problems, AI is all about teaching machines to learn and solve problems like us humans. It's like teaching Polly a new word, but on a much larger and more complex scale. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Polly's ability to learn and adapt is a small-scale example of what AI aims to achieve. By observing Polly, we can draw parallels to how AI systems are designed to learn from data and improve over time. So, let's embark on this fascinating journey to understand the intersection of natural intelligence and artificial intelligence. First up, let's talk math. Don't worry, we'll keep it light. Imagine AI as a giant recipe book. Just like a recipe needs precise measurements of ingredients, AI relies on math to make sense of data. We're talking algorithms, equations, and all sorts of numerical wizardry. But instead of flour and sugar, AI feasts on data, tons and tons of it. Think of it like this. Polly learns to say cracker because she hears you say it repeatedly. Similarly, AI learns patterns and makes predictions by analyzing mountains of data. The more data it gobbles up, the smarter it gets, just like Polly with her ever-expanding vocabulary of treats. Now, let's sprinkle in some science. AI isn't just about crunching numbers. It's about mimicking the incredible abilities of the human brain. Scientists study how our brains process information, learn, and make decisions. They then use these insights to develop algorithms that allow machines to do the same. It's like reverse engineering Polly's brain to understand how she learns to mimic sounds so well. Remember those nature documentaries where birds use tools to get their food? That's a form of intelligence. AI aims to replicate that problem-solving ability in machines. We're talking robots that can navigate complex environments, understand human emotions, and even write poetry, though maybe not as good as Shakespeare, at least not yet. Section 4: Computers, the playground of AI. Now, where does all this amazing AI magic happen? It all starts in the heart of technology. You guessed it, computers. These incredible machines are the backbone of AI. Think of computers as the playgrounds of AI, where endless possibilities come to life. They provide the processing power, memory, and tools necessary for AI to work its wonders. Without these components, AI would be like a bird without wings. It's like Polly's cage, but instead of swings and perches, it's filled with microchips, circuits, and lines of code. A perfect environment for AI to thrive. Just like Polly needs a spacious cage to fly around and explore, AI needs powerful computers to process massive amounts of data and run complex algorithms. This allows AI to learn, adapt, and grow. And as computers continue to evolve and become more powerful, so too will the capabilities of AI. The future holds endless potential. Who knows? Maybe one day Polly will have an AI companion to chat with and share birdseed. The possibilities are truly limitless. Section 5: AI. The future is now, Squawk. Welcome to a world where technology and nature blend seamlessly. So there you have it, artificial intelligence in a nutshell, or should I say a birdcage. It's a realm where curiosity meets innovation. It's a fascinating field that combines the power of math, science, and computers to create machines that can learn, adapt, and even surprise us. Imagine robots that can think and evolve. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is already transforming our world in incredible ways. These advancements are not just futuristic dreams, they are happening right now. As for Polly, well, she's still working on mastering the art of AI. She's diving deep into the world of algorithms and data. But one thing's for sure, with AI's rapid development, the future is looking brighter, smarter, and perhaps a little more feathered than we ever imagined. The possibilities are endless. Until next time, keep those minds curious and remember, science rules. Stay inquisitive and never stop exploring. And Polly, don't forget to say AI is awesome. Squawk. Let's embrace the future together.